Hey everybody, it's Jeff with Eternity Shore and another edition of Amateur Maintenance. I've been having a problem with our sump, our pump in our gray water tank. And what's been happening is it pumps kind of arbitrarily, actually, and the water comes right back in. So basically what's been happening is the pump's been going on, been pumping the water up, and then it stops and then just kind of fills back up again. So I purchased this check valve, the non-return valve. Got this from West Marine. The arrows go in that direction, and so there's basically in here there's like a little, so in there, kind of like what you have duckbill valves in your toilet, you know, sends it this way but doesn't allow it to come back. So what we're going to do, try anyway, hopefully it'll work, is I don't have a lot of pipe to work with, but this is the hose that's kind of crappy. This is going out to a scupper straight out the boat, but it has to go up. Obviously from here it goes over there. So apparently you want to have this level. So pick a spot, maybe I need enough space, and I got to be careful that I don't interact with that air conditioning unit that's running right now. I'm more gonna have to cover this, so cleaning that out is gonna be a giant pain unless I can go around, which I might be able to go around the back of it. And I think this is this is an inline thing, so we're gonna have to cut a piece here and cut a piece here, and this is gonna have to go on there. So maybe it'll end up being around here. So we'll take a look at how we can do that. All right, let me tell you where I'm at. I was able to screw this. It's really, really tight. It's really tight, not a great fit, but there's about a total of an inch almost here on either end. So that's pretty good. I've been twisting it. It's probably 75% on. I'm gonna put a clamp on that. And then this side you can see is pretty much all the way there. And the flow is going that way. So I'm gonna stick this underneath here, wrap it around, and then this attaches right down here. But I gotta secure that first. Make sure that's secure. I don't think I even need a clamp here, honestly. I don't need a clamp there. And then that one should be up and out of the way of the filter for the AC unit, because you got to clean this out, and if I have to take this off every time, that will not be cool. But I think it'll go under there. So let me tighten that, and I'll put this on, and then we'll test it. So there you see the hose, check valve right there in that direction. There's no clamp right there, but I think that's okay. The thing is on really tight. I've clamped that right there, and if I need to take it off in order to get this filter off, I can do that. All right, now I'm filling up the shower area, and the water's going to be coming in here. Here it comes. Hopefully this will go on. Okay. Okay, it doesn't seem to be backing up and in like it was before. Let's see. Now I want to see that it's coming out outside. So let's go check outside. Might be something that's still stuck in there, but I think it's working now. It's not running continuously like it was before. I don't know if it ever had a non-return valve on it. So now it does, and it appears to be working, and now I can actually put this all back together again. This is Jeff with Eternity Shore. Thanks for watching Amateur Maintenance. Go ahead and comment. Love to hear what issues you had down there. Comment, subscribe, like, hit the bell for notifications. Ciao.